What shape are you?
Squid.
Tell me the properties of the squid.
4 equal sides.
We just want to thank you and Noah's Ark for the support you have given us, the jungle gym, the solar heater, when our temperatures drop to minus 12 degrees in the winter, the trampoline and our big new building about to be erected.
That's what we sing, Sunny Bona, Sunny Bona. Gena Pagati, Puma Puma, Jigga Jigga. Why? He knows, come in. He's not only learning language, he's learning spatial concepts, which are crucial for formal school.